Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic from the prelims perspective. That is nothing but Chennai Vladivostok Sea Link. The reason for it being in importance is that it got operational in November. Okay, so because of that, it is actually having very much importance for this year prelims. Okay, so let's just talk about it. See, the first thing you people need to remember is the Chennai Vladivostok Sea Link. It is also called as the Eastern Maritime Corridor. Eastern Maritime Corridor. Okay, so actually this is it with respect to India-Russia relations. Okay, so this is Chennai, it's in South India, and Vladivostok, it is in the far east side of Russia. Let me show you in the map. Okay, so here is Chennai and here is Vladivostok, and there is a sea link connecting Chennai to Vladivostok, which has got operational in November this year. Okay, so this is about it. The important point now, first I've told you that it is also called as the Eastern Maritime Corridor. The distance of this corridor is 5,600 nautical miles. See, it is important to know this thing, that here it is 5,600 nautical miles, which is around 10,450 kilometers. See, it's important to see the unit. The reason being that many a times what happen is that they change the units, so you have to just be very much careful about the units. That 5,600 nautical miles is there, and 10,400, and I think it's 10,458 kilometers. So this is the distance of this Chennai Vladivostok Maritime Corridor. It's an important link between India and Russia's Far East. ठीक है, अब since this is there, so there must be some reason for making it. Okay, so okay, just let me tell you now what is the reason that this corridor has been made. The traditional route which is actually used as a sort of connection between India and Russia, it is around 8,675 nautical miles, which is around 16,000, kilometers. Okay, the traditional route or the standard route. Let me show you the traditional route as well. Okay, so this is the traditional route, this one showing the red line, which is actually passing through the Red Sea, then the Mediterranean Sea, then the North Sea, then here in the Baltic Sea, connecting from Mumbai to St. Petersburg. Okay, so this is the standard route. This is around 8,675 nautical miles, and which is around 16K kilometers. Okay, so 16,000 kilometers ka hai. This is a very long distance, and it actually takes around 40 days for, like, if we are carrying our trade, if some sort of ship has to move from Mumbai to St. Petersburg via the traditional route, it actually takes around 40 days at a normal speed. Okay, whereas this route, that is the Chennai Vladivostok Sea Link, it takes around 24 days, and therefore cutting the distance by up to 40%. So this is the reason that Chennai Vladivostok Sea Link has actually been made, because it is reducing the time which it takes for India, the distance between India and the Far East of the Russia, so that actually trade, the connectivity can be improved between the two countries. Okay, so this is a very important point. Then कि किस water bodies के through ये pass करता है, that is also something important we need to understand. This Chennai Vladivostok Sea Link, it passes through Bay of Bengal, then Malacca Strait, South China Sea, then East China Sea, and then Sea of Japan. Okay, so let's see this in the map. Here there is Bay of Bengal, this is Malacca Strait, then it passes through South China Sea, then East China Sea, Sea of Japan, and then finally Vladivostok. So these are various seas or the water bodies through which this Chennai Vladivostok sea link passes, which is also an important point when it comes to the prelims perspective. Okay, so this is actually the importance of Chennai Vladivostok sea link and the water bodies it passes through and the distance which the connectivity, the distance which has actually been reduced by 40%. So this is all about the Chennai Vladivostok sea link, which you actually need to know about the prelims 2025. Okay, so in the next video we will be talking about another route, that is INSTC, International North South Transport Corridor. We'll be talking about it in the next class. So see you the next time. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.